The state of Kerala today informed the Supreme Court that it wishes to withdraw its two petitions filed against the Kerala governor, which relate to delays in giving assent to bills passed by the Kerala Legislative Assembly. Appearing for the state, senior advocate K.K. Venugopal told a bench of Justices P.S. Narasimha and A.S. Chandorkar that the issue had become infructuous, especially in view of Supreme Court's recent judgment in the Tamil Nadu governor case, which clarified key constitutional principles around governor's role. If you recall, the Supreme Court has ruled against the Tamil Nadu governor for delaying assent to 10 bills passed by the Assembly. The court had made it clear that governors are bound to act on the aid and advice of Council of Ministers, that delays in granting assent violates the spirit of the Constitution, and that withholding assent indefinitely is not permissible. The state of Kerala today said that these legal principles laid down in the Tamil Nadu case already clarify its concerns, so rather than to pursue separate litigation, it is choosing to withdraw its petitions. But you must also know here that the President of India has recently referred several constitutional questions on the governor's role to the Supreme Court for its advisory opinion. Today, Attorney General R. Venkataramani and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the Union government, opposed the withdrawal, urging the court to wait for upcoming presidential reference under Article 143, which will deal with broader constitutional questions about governor's powers in granting assent. Justice Narasimha noted that since the state is the dominus litis, that is the master of its case, it has the right to withdraw, but the court ultimately posted the matter for next week, hinting that it may consider linking it to the presidential reference for a broader constitutional discussion.